Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or disable unrestricted mobile data usage on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy phone, a Google Pixel phone, doesn't really matter. And this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do on your home screen is just swipe up and then select the settings button. And then you want to go down and select apps and then scroll down again, and then underneath general, select special app access. And then you want to go down to unrestricted mobile data. This app is allowed to use unrestricted mobile data when data saver is on. Go ahead and open that up. So any apps you want to enable or allow for unrestricted mobile data, just click inside the oval to toggle it to the right, meaning it's turned on and it's not restricted to certain data caps when on mobile data. If you want to turn that off or go back to restricting that data usage, just click inside the oval one time and turn it off. And that is all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.